Hello, CIT. This is Caitlin Morgan with enhancement number 2. So here is my connections. This is a successful run. And then if I break it and I run it, I get a server error page. So I know that my PDO connection and my error page are functioning properly. Here is my demonstration of query number 1, inserting into the clients. Here is my SQL statement, and if I click go, I got the success, and if you go and look, you can see it there in my table. Obviously, I've done it more than one time. Here is the next query, updating the inventory list from the nylon rope to climbing rope. So here is my SQL statement, and if I hit go, it's telling me no rows were affected because I've already run it. But if you go and look, you can see number 15 that it did in fact update to climbing rope. Here is the next query, my SQL statement, where I am getting the list of all of the miscellaneous items. So here's my SQL statement, go, and my list of 7 miscellaneous items, which it's now that I'm looking at it, it's a list of 6 because I've already run the last query deleting one. But there's the list. And finally, the last one where we deleted, I believe it was a car from the inventory list. This was actually the simplest of all of them for me to figure out. But there's my SQL statement. And if I hit go, it asks me, do I really want to delete from inventory number 7? Where I hit OK. And I got the success box. And if you go and look at my list, number 7 is in fact missing from the list. So I know it was successful. So there it is, enhancement number 2. I'm recognizing that even though I'm showing you successful queries, since I've already run these to do the assignment, the changes have already been made and I don't know how to go back and unmake them. But I hope this is what you were looking for. And obviously you can see my queries when I turn in my zipped file. Thanks for watching.